Kylie can walk from home to bus stop number 6 in 8 minutes. What is the latest time she can leave home to be sure of getting to the city by 8:30? Okay, so we should work backwards for this question. We need to find, she has to be sure that she wants to get to the city by 8:30. So, we need to decide which bus she can catch to get to the city by 8:30. And the latest bus she can catch that does that is this bus here. One that arrives in the city at 8:21. So, she catches the bus from bus stop number 6. So, she's going to be getting on the bus here. And the bus arrives at bus stop number 6 at 7:50. So, 7:50 is when the bus reaches her stop. And remember, it takes Kylie 8 minutes to get to that bus stop in the first place. So, the very latest she can leave home to get to the bus stop by 7:50 should be 7:50 minus 8 minutes. And what that gives you is 7:42. So, what do we know? 7:42 is the latest time that Kylie can leave the house, take 8 minutes to walk to the bus stop, catch the 7:50 bus, and then get to the city at 8:21, or before 8:30. So our answer here is B, 7:42.